mastery course. So we're going to be starting with the introduction to meta advertising. We are going to be learning what meta is, understanding meta ecosystem, the benefits of advertising on meta, and also setting advertising goals and objectives. Alright, doing a quick search on the browser about what meta is. So we are going to be learning in real time way. Okay. From here they said Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is an American multinational technology conglomerate based in Menlo Park, California. That's just a bit history. It's one of the world's most valuable companies and one of the 10 largest publicly traded corporations in the United States. So Meta is a social technology company that builds technologies that help people connect, find communities, and grow business. It is moving beyond 2D screens and into the immersive experiences like virtual and augmented reality, helping create the next evolution of social technology. Meta applicants, products, and services help to bring what's the metaverse to life, an immersive VR space where users can engage in complex interactions with each other and the world around them. So that's just a bit about Meta. So what am I trying to bring out from here is that Meta is formerly known as Facebook and actually has connected with other top social media platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and all together known as Meta. And with these platforms, we can actually reach more customers. So this is an article from Meta itself, and this is what we are going to be used to learning the introduction to Meta advertising. Alright, let's start. Your customers are here, find them with meta ads. So they said reach new and existing customers as they connect with people and find communities on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp, which all falls under Meta platform. So what are meta ads? Again, they said build lasting connections with customers with Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and ad clicking to WhatsApp and Messenger, which you're going to be learning as we proceed in this course. Billions of people use meta apps to connect with people and explore topics they care about. Your meta ads can show up as your customers explore their Facebook feed or watch Instagram reels or check their messenger inbox. So this basically is talking about how we are going to be setting ads where people can actually see it on the Facebook feeds. Maybe when they are scrolling through the reels on Instagram or their messenger inbox. Businesses like yours use meta ads to actually increase online sales, drive in-store traffic, and find new customer, because Facebook especially is a large platform with large audience capacity. So from there you can actually drive traffic to whatever brand, business, or you're trying to advertise. In that case, generating leads, and of course you're going to generate sales. So whether you are new to online advertising or you are an experienced marketer, Meta is here to give you the resource and support you need to succeed. So benefits of actually advertising on Meta. The first one is increase your online sales. So drive purchases on your website, Facebook, or Instagram with sales ad. We're going to be talking about that later. It also helps you to generate qualified leads by setting up the right ad and targeting the right audiences. You're going to generate the right leads for your brand or business or sales you're trying to make. The next one is a drive engagement. Maybe you're trying to show your ads to people likely to be interested in your business and get more messages, video views, or post engagement. Or an artist just wanting people to interact, to download, or you're trying to actually advertise to publicize a brand. You want people to engage on it. So meta ads is actually good for engagement. Again, it's good for sending more traffic, which we've talked about and we are still going to talk about extensively as we proceed in the course. Also, it's good for to build awareness, which is the first thing about any it's the first step in any business success story. Let me put it like that, because if you not build awareness for your brand, your business, or your products, there is no way people are going to see it. That's the first thing you're going to do. After that, you can actually focus on other meta objective campaigns. Then increase app installs. This maybe you are trying to actually do advertise an app, want people to install it, Meta platform is actually a good place to make that happen. So the next thing we are going to be talking about is actually what setting advertising goals and objective. So it's a find a budget that works for your business. So you can start, stop, and pause your ads at any time. So you are always in control. They also recommend a budget based on ads like yours, so that you can feel informed when you decide on what to spend. They help you reach people you want to hear from you. Okay, so create ads that shine on every Meta app. That's when you actually do what? That's when you actually use good ad creative to actually to get the right results. And also you can track your ads performance in real time. Every time you run an ad, you can see how many people reacted, commented on, shared, and clicked on it. Use those insights to improve your future ad campaign. So we are still going to be talking about that. Simplifying ad creations with automated tools. So how Meta decides your ad? So this is another very important aspect of Meta advertising. So when you publish your ads, they will compete against other ads targeted towards the same audience in a process called the ad auction. So this way, optimization, setup, and everything actually matters. So you can help your ad compete by implementing Meta ad auction best practice. So we are actually going to go deeper into this later on. So that's ad objectives. In this section, we're going to be talking how to set ad objective and goals. Alright, so using an article from Meta itself, it says set your ad up for success by choosing the right objective for your business goals. So what you are going to learn here are what ad objectives are and how to actually find the ad objective that best fits your business goals. Okay, there are basically 6 campaign objectives you can actually use to advertise on Meta, and we are going to be looking at them one after the other. We have the awareness campaign objective, we have the traffic campaign objective, we have the engagement, the leads, app promotion, and sales campaign objective. So you can get the result that you want with the right objective. Meta Ads auction is designed to help your ad get the most results possible for your budget. So you need to tell their auction system what you want to accomplish with your ad. This telling is not a literal way of telling. It means in the settings, the optimization, you are going to let them know the kind of goal and objective you want with your ad. So their auction system will look for people across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, or any other platform you manually choose for your ads to appear on, and take the action related to your ad objective. So how do you select the right ad objective for your business goals? So whether your goals is to increase sales of your products, drive more traffic to your website, or even find new contacts for your business, Meta has the right ad objective for you. So the first one here is the sales objective. They said find people likely to purchase your products or service. This objective is good for conversions, catalog sales, and messages. So let's see if you can actually see more about sales objective. This is actually what is opening in a new tab, and let's see. Alright, so it says find people across Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger most likely to purchase your product or service. This objective is best to get new customers and sales on your website. So how do you actually set up sales objective? So the first one is that you have to learn Meta Pixel and installation guide. We are going to talk about this. You drive more conversions and increase your sales on your website. Learn how to use your product catalog in your sales ads. Tactics to optimize ad performance and increase sales. Okay, these are just what we are still going to be talking about practically in the course. Now going back, the next one we have is the leads objective. This is a collect leads for your business or brand. This objective is good for instant forms, messages, calls, and sign up. So this is one of the main reasons why people run ads. Okay, so to collect leads for their business. Leads are just potential customers that actually are more likely to buy from you. And without the right setup and optimization, you might be getting the wrong leads for your business. Okay, that's an aspect that deals with recognizing your audience and the right audience targeting. So the next one is what is the engagement objective. Here it says get more video views, page likes, or event responses. I forgot to mention earlier, it's also good for events. Maybe you have an event you want to hold, a concert, or any event. The engagement after the awareness which is good for any kind of objective we want. The engagement objective is actually okay for this kind of goal. So this objective is good for messages, video views, and post engagement. The next one is traffic. What is traffic? Traffic is just like sending people to whatever you want them to go, driving people there. So send people to a destination such as your website, app, or Facebook event. This objective is good for links and landing page views. As much as you're going to see audience coming to your ad there, this objective is not actually okay for generating sales and leads, because this is not a specified targeted ad objective. Now the next one is awareness, which is very important. So show us people who are most likely to remember them. This objective is good for brand awareness and video views. Now I'm going to talk a bit deeper in this about this ad objective. Now awareness, why awareness is actually the first and the most important ad objective, which I tell my students, is because here it says the objective is going to help you show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. And there's one thing about the human shall I say the human brain or anything, is because once you're able to remember something, by the time you see it later, there will be this kind of slight trust you are going to have for that brand or for that product. So by the time you've created enough awareness for your product, setting up other kind of ad objectives like your sales, your engagement, your leads with the audience or look like audience you've generated with the awareness objective, which I'm going to be talking about later, your objective is very much likely to perform well. Now the next one is app promotion, which is the final ad objective. So is it find new people to install your app and continue using it. So this is just for your app installs and app events. So ready to get started. We're going to be talking about budget and schedule, but this will not be the article is going to be about. We're not going to talking about. You are going to talking about it extensively as we proceed.